ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Key. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved my eyeshadow look. So if you're interested in learning or watching how I did it, definitely stay tuned. This eye turned out so bomb, so I'm so excited to be showing you guys how I got it. So I used 3 palettes for this look. I used my Hit My Line palette from GLAM Cosmetics, and this is what this one looks like. I used this shade Hey Girl, which is this really gorgeous neon yellow. Then from the Lamazi Cosmetics palette, this is their party palette. I use this shade right here, this green shade, and I also use this like neon, a little lighter shade of green. And then yo, this is an eye look for real. Okay, I got back into my creative side. Things calmed down this way, so your girl is back to creating some dope ass eyeshadow looks. I also used my Morphe James Charles palette, and if I can get it open, I used this bad boy right here, this dark green. So let's just dive into how your girl got this look. So I already based my eye with some concealer. I used my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I used the shade 410, which is almond, right? Yes, almond. And this is what the concealer looks like, you guys, if you don't know what the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer looks like. Come on, focus. Yeah, that's what that look like. And I am just taking my Real Techniques concealer brush, and I am just buffing out this concealer on my eye. It's been sitting on my eye for about a couple minutes because I was doing some stuff over here, but I'm just gonna buff this out, blend it out, and get it together so we can get this eye look started. So first shade I'm taking is from the Hit My Line palette. I'm taking the shade Period. As you guys can see, it's a green, and I'm taking this is an e.l.f. eye crease brush. And I'm just putting this color literally in my crease and winging it out in that cut crease motion. After building the green up, I'm gonna go in and buff the edges out so that it can make blending in my next transition color a lot easier, so that everything can flow. Now that I have the green blended out, you guys, I'm going into my party palette from Lamazi Cosmetics, and I'm taking the lighter green shade, and I'm just gonna blend this right above my crease. And I'm just gonna blend these 2 colors together because the lighter green is the transition color for this look. And I'm taking a fluffy brush to do this because I really want it to look airbrushed so that everything can flow. I don't really want to build color up. I kind of want to just, you know, help blend those edges out. After blending out my transition area, I'm gonna go back into my GLAM Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Period again, which is the first shade that we used, and I'm just gonna bring that color back into the picture because it did kind of get lost when I was blending out the edges, but it's okay. We just gonna build it right back up, okay? Period. I built my crease back up. Now going back into the shade Period, I am just going to smoke out the outer part of my lid. So just bringing that color back in. So it was winged out. I'm just gonna bring it back in using the fluffy brush because I don't want my outer V of my lid to look too harsh. I kind of want it to be blended still. So just winging it back in. So everything is looking so nice, and I'm actually really proud of myself that I am like getting this like to be perfect, because that's something that I struggle with, is getting both of my eyes to be the same. And you know, I be beating myself up for it sometimes, but you know, it's growth. It's all about growth, and baby, I am growing because this look good, okay? I'm so happy. So now I am going into my James Charles and Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna take the black shade from that palette, just a little bit on, this is an eye crease brush, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit of the black on my outer V, and I just needed my outer V just to be a little bit darker, so this is just all the black is gonna do. It's just kind of deepen this outer V up just a little bit, just a tad bit. And I'm like literally using tapping motions because I don't want the black to be too harsh and be hard to blend out, because I still gotta go in and blend it out. So now that I have the black on my lid, I'm going to go into the green from the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I'm going to tap this green right on top of the black, and that's going to give me like the dark green that I'm looking for. And this is just perfect. And I'm doing sweeping motions this way to kind of make it a lot easier for when I go in and blend in my neon yellow shade. So just tapping this product on top of the black, and it just looks so good, y'all. This looks good. Yes, Key. I does this. If you guys have not hit that subscribe button, do so. Turn on your post notifications as well. Drop a color combination that you guys would like to see me create a look with, and I may just pick your color combination and create a look, and that's on period, okay? So now that my eye is perfect, it is time to add a little bit of concealer on my inner corner so that my neon yellow could really pop and be vibrant. So I'm going in with my P. Louise base in 0, and it's just a white eyeshadow base, and it's what it look like. Now sometimes I struggle with using this base. I honestly kind of really don't like it, but I pay for it, so I'm gonna use it. I don't want to say I don't like it, but like sometimes it's hard to, you know, hard to work with. It's like I don't know, it's just the iffy type of product, you feel me? Like you really gotta work with this product if you've never used it before. I was using it for a hot short minute, but then I stopped. But then I was like, oh, we doing a bright look today, so only white base I have is this one, so we made it work. So I'm not necessarily cutting my crease. I am kind of just tapping the product in like a cut crease motion. You guys are watching what I'm doing. Like, y'all see what it's doing? It's doing something a little funky. I don't know. If you guys know any white concealers or eyeshadow bases that are just I'm sorry, y'all, I'm over here dying. If you guys know any eyeshadow bases that are better than the P. Louise base, let me know. I typically would use my L'Oreal Infallible concealer, but I ran out of my lightest shade and I just have not picked up anything. But I was really feeling creative, and this look was just like something I wanted to do today, so you know, here we are. So yeah, I'm using tapping motions. Like, this product, you really have to like tap and blend in, or else you are just going to be upset and look crazy. So I have to let this concealer dry down before I actually go in with my shadow, or else it's just going to be a hot mess. So I'm gonna take my little handy dandy fan, and we are gonna just speed up this drying process. Y'all, this fan is popping, okay? Sometimes I know how to work it, sometimes I don't. Let's see. There we go. So I'm just gonna dry my eyes. So it's a little bit dried down a little bit more, and I'm just taking this concealer brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going over this one more time just to pick up any extra product. Cause like I said, if you don't, honey, your eyeshadow gonna look crazy. Now moving back into my Hit My Line palette from Cosmetics, I'm gonna go into the shade Hey Girl, and I am taking that neon yellow, and I'm just gonna pop this right on top of the concealer that I just applied. But I just want y'all to see the pigment of the yellow. Like, wow, Come on, focus. Do y'all see that? Like, honey, get into it, okay? Listen, check this out. Check this out. I forgot to tell y'all. I have a discount code for you guys. If you want to pick up this palette, I have a discount code. The discount code is Keyana. I will have it down in my description box below. But if you use my discount code when shopping with Cosmetics, you will get a discount off your purchase, okay? You will save you some coins, and everybody like to save some coins, okay? So definitely check out Cosmetics, and all of their products are so freaking amazing. Honey, they is so bomb. And y'all know your girl loves to slay on a budget, so guess what? All of the products on Cosmetics are all freaking affordable. So you get an affordable products, like for good quality, like honey, yes. Yes, it's so worth it. Now that my shadow is packed on, everything is looking good, I'm gonna go in with my liner because I did add liner to this look. So I took some gold glitter liner that I got from Amazon, and then I also took this mega liner from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade of black. So I'm just gonna align the top of my cut crease area and wing it out, and then I'm also going to do the same for the bottom part of my eye look. Y'all gonna see what I do in a second. Hold up. So I have my glitter popped on, you guys, and this is what it looks like before I add actual glitter. And I just decided to take it up a notch because the actual glitter is just, it's more popping. Like, you know, this side is okay, but the actual glitter just pops a lot more. So I used two different glitters. The first glitter I got from Amazon, it's just some chunky glitter, so you know it has different shapes, hexagons, stars, and a bunch of other stuff in here. And then I took another glitter, which is from IZME New York, and this is glitter is in the shade, I'm guessing gold. Yeah, gold. And I used the small glitter for my little line at the top, and then I used the chunky glitter on my actual liner. So let's get into that. And to get my glitter to stay, I went in with the Kiss Adhesive Strip Lash Glue in the shade Clear. Not in the shade, but in Clear. So then that way you can't see it when I do apply my glitter. So I'm just gonna apply it on top of the glitter that I already put down, on top of the glitter liner. Y'all, this is exactly why I do my eye makeup before my face makeup, because I got glitter everywhere. But it's okay. It's an easy fix. It's an easy fix. The lashes that I'm popping on today, you guys, are coming from the beauty supply store. It's in the lash style 11. It's like from one of them like no-name brand boxes, but they're real cute. Something light, because I don't want to use no dramatic lashes and it take away from my eye look. So these lashes are just super duper gorgeous. They're super long and wispy, so I like that a lot. And I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm using the Urban Decay Pervision Bigger, Blacker, and Badder mascara. Yo, this mascara is the GOAT, okay? It is so bomb. I'm gonna apply this like this. Now, I already applied my glue to my lashes and to my lash line, so my lash should be ready to get popped on. So I'm gonna add some black liner to my waterline. I'm using a Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil in black, and I'm gonna do this. I don't really know what this step is called. Is it just adding black to your waterline? Probably. Now I'm gonna dip into the Lamazi Party palette, and I'm gonna take that dark green shade, and I'm just gonna add this to the bottom of my lash line and smoke out my lash line like so. Some light work, some light work. So I'm done with the eyes, you guys. Off camera, I'm gonna go add my blush and my lippy, and then I'll come back with the finished look so you guys can see everything together. So definitely stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. Subscribe to my channel as well and turn on post notifications, and I'll be right back. With the finished look, you guys. If you're an OG to my channel, y'all know I love my colorful, bold looks, and honey, Key is back. Pew pew pew, I'm back. Okay, them soft glam looks, they are right, they cute or whatever, but honey, this right here is where it's at. So if you guys want to see more looks like this, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and that you're following me on my Instagram, because I will be dropping looks, okay? And I already know that these pictures I'm about to take is about to turn out so freaking fire. Y'all, I'm about to put my tunes on and get to flicking, get to posing. I'm about to get into it. So with that being said, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Drop down my next color combination down in the comment section below. And guess what? If I pick your color combination, I will give you guys a shout out in my next video. So yeah, drop them colors. Let's see. I want y'all to put me to the test. Like, you know, put some crazy ass random colors together too. And I bet you I can finesse it. But that is a wrap for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoy it one more time. I don't know why I just said that again, but as always, be kind, be thankful. Oh, I forgot to go like it's your girl Key. Okay. Ooh, that was nasty. One more time. Ew, ain't nobody being kind, being thankful with lipstick on their teeth. Like, who wanna do that? But baby, this right here,